Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Conel. Conel's been trading with the company from the 12th of October of 2020, and this is the review from the start date to the present day of the 24th of March 2021. Cornell's maintain a daily percentage gain of 0.13% with a monthly drawdown of 7.40% out of 10% and a monthly gain of 3.99%. This is the journey of Cornell. Cornell's hit drawdowns at various points of 5.3% in the positive territory, 5.8, 6.66, 7.61, and 7.89. And finally, 13%. Looking at the drawdown Cornell's a unique trader because his drawdown has always been on the positive territory, as you can see scrolling through. He's never had a negative drawdown. So in other words, his drawdown's actually been in profit. And as you can see, 1.53, 1.587, and as it will going down, his drawdown is never at a deficit, it's only at profit. So Cornell, very well done in terms of having a trading plan, being disciplined with your strategy, maintaining the balance, and actually maintaining a positive drawdown, not being in the negative. So at any given time, you've always been making money consistently. So whatever you've lost is only out your profit, but not the main balance. So that's a very good technique to have. You've done it with a total of 191 trades, and you're on to level 2, which is 60,000, and you'll be moving on to 120,000, which would be level 3, level 4. So I'm very confident you're going to do this. Looking at your statistics, you've done 134 trades out of 191 trades, which represents 70% win rate, and 57 out of 191, which represents 30%. So you're 70% effective with your strategy. Your best trade to date was on the 22nd of March for $148.90, and your worst trade was minus 152,869. But at the end of the day, it's still in profit. So Conel, the unique thing about Conel, let's see the pairs he's traded. Cornell's traded quite a few pairs, from the euro cross pairs to the pound pairs, down to a dollar pair and a cross pair as well. So your pairs are made up of euro pairs, pound pairs, cross pairs, and dollar pairs. Out of all your trades, Cornell, I'm very impressed with the way you've composed your trading strategy, your trading plan, and this is reflecting with the results as I can see on the summary table. I reckon your best trades to date are the pound pairs, which is the pound New Zealand dollar and the pound US dollar. So this is a very excellent achievement. So on both the long side and on the short side, you've been very profitable. You've traded the pound US dollar 74 times on the long and 153 times on the short. So clearly, this is your joker, this is your ace pair. You're very good at trading the pound US dollar. And the same can be said for the pound New Zealand dollar. So moving forward, Cornell, I will always like you to maintain these two pairs because that gives you the advantage. I cannot really say a lot here. I always like to offer recommendations and improvements going forward. But you're a trader that clearly has discipline and you're organized in your trading, and this is reflecting on the results and the stage of the FTP program you're at. But not taking nothing away from your achievement, this is a very well was the, it's a very well documented, executed trading plan, and I can only just wish you the best on your journey because there's not a lot to say. Your lot sizes are consistent, which is a key. If you look at for the month of January, you maintained 3.29%. You were down by 1.96% in February, and you're up by 11.87% in March. In 2020, when you started, you're up by 10% in October, down by you achieved by 0.47% in November, and you're down by minus 1.17% in December. So you got your first increase in October, the first month you started. Coming into the new year, you got another increase again in March. So you've done very well, Conel, and this is a reflection of hard work. So moving forward, I will only recommend you add a bit more arsenal to your trading, and that could be anything like having a routine, improving your routine, maybe staying up to date with the economic and political events affecting the pairs you're trading. Maybe probably as well looking at the P&L and looking at the summary of your trades. Leave the pound yen alone and the US dollar Swiss franc and the New Zealand dollar CAD and the US dollar CAD. Any pair that's not made you over $200, I think you should just put them to the side and focus on the big pairs that are helping you achieve your goals, which is a pound CAD, pound Swiss franc, pound New Zealand dollar, pound US dollar. And these are very volatile pairs, but clearly you know what you're doing. And I can only also recommend as well, you pay attention to the market conditions, learn from your mistakes, always secure your profits, and keep on learning and developing as a trader. I wish you all the best, and I know you're not far from level 5 and 6. All the best, Cornell, and well done in your achievement. This is a very impressive account, and I look forward to reviewing your future accounts. I wish you all the best.